I can achieve something, give something to my people, that sense of self-respect.
Ang makakawa mo especially ang young generation kamang metal kay tunggo.
मेरा आशीर्वाद गांव से आता है. Some political leaders, their power comes from आशीर्वाद from ऊपर. I love my people also. I lost my father in 2006. I grew up alone. My sisters were much older than me. They all got married. They all went out. My mother was an MP. She was mostly in Calcutta. I grew up alone. So the first time I felt accepted by people in my life was this lady called Peggy Martin. I grew up with her. Simple lady. When I went to the villages, you know, my elections they gave me 100 rupees, somebody gave me 50 rupees. It is not the money, it is their love. Yeah, never felt so loved in my life. So if people who love you, you can't respond them in back in love, then what is the use of doing all this? And these indigenous people, today we may be poor, but one day we will reclaim what is rightfully ours. If I can achieve something, give something to my people, that sense of self-respect, by God, अगर अपने लोगों को कुछ दे दिया ना, भिखारी के मरूंगा तो ऊपर में मुझे सुकून मिलेगा. लेकिन यहाँ मैं जिंदा रहकर भीख मांगकर अपने लोगों को नीचे नहीं करूंगा. And I'm prepared to go to any limits. लेकिन अपने लोगों को कुछ देना है. पॉलिटिक्स की ऐसे की तैसी, तिपरा मोथा की ऐसे की तैसी, पार्टी की ऐसे की तैसी, अपने लोगों को सम्मान देना है. I love my people. I'm not ashamed of it. I'm not ashamed of going and hugging a old woman in a village. I'm not ashamed to fight for a young man who is fighting for his language, for his rights. And I'll fight. And my power comes from them. Some political leaders, their power comes from आशीर्वाद from ऊपर. मेरा आशीर्वाद गांव से आता है, तो मैं उसके संग. और जिस दिन मैं उसको भूल जाऊंगा, I'm over also. I think easiest explanation to say, I feel like they are my family and I'm a part of their family.
Hello, khulum ka jituna, welcome back to my channel. To hambai Tripura Motha Party na. To many congratulations victory only baga. I victory imo sudo ojarni Tiprasa thangsani bagaya. To angna bakaga I victory chini Bangladesh ni chini Tiprasa rongni bagaibo. Chini borok guru khai chini borok sakaka khaise. Chini borok lama arkitsa sakama thang kaise chungbo ma happy nangjawo taraki unity khaye tungjanai jutto nokbo kabangma Bubagra na struggle khaye kabangma support khaye asok nokje prochar khaika thangai support rakha to jotono hambai khayo junglai oro khorai sakangbai sakang jong thangai jong support khaimya ban jong irutubo chini Bangladesh ni joto buro rokbo nongna support khai tongo nokbo mona sima mona saple je buro chini Tiprasani bagai gam nayo Bubagra je buro bakharogoi bakhatoi nijini Tiprasa buro rongni gam nayo chini Tiprasa buro rok kusuk kathok omna nayo kusuk thangtok omna nayo Haikai bongni she victory unna joy unnai tikar khayoi Bubagra chini Tiprasani bai hamjanga rogoi Tiprasani bai gam nayoi chini Bubagra Tripura Motha Party ni borokni je struggle khaimani tini chini Tiprasa borok se win nongo unity se win kha I hope phainai dino sakangni dino jotobo are khaye kaisani sai kaisa unity khayoi are ke baksa khayoi tungjanai funungjanai kaisani sai kaisana chubagoi tisajanai kaisani sai kaisa tisajanai ekta koksana amongo khate tabunglai chini Tripura Motha Party dayo chini Bubagra tungbo chini Tiprasa borok bai tungbo agio tabungle win kaple election dayo but agio chini bangladesh of the situation ongoi tongfuni deilai chini tipra motha party dayo mo election ongya ko ojara rogo to Bubagra ro tipra motha party Bubagra ojara ro tongfuni boto chini bagoi support khayo chini bagoi kokshagno chini bagoi support rogoi chini kori tongbohi china bakhadayo china trust khai rogo believe khai rogo koroi funi mane party ekta politics day ekta party win ungya jara funi o jara mane simplicity ekta politics dayo Bubagra tongfuni rogolai Bubagra asuk support khayo tapo wins mangkhai he mane win nongkha ta bolo me je powerful no omti kosolia naturally babesiang ma Bubagra chini bawai agini kosol khai support khai nai tunai is a indigenous rural situation hami okay chini Tiprasa rural situation hami okay always noni bro chuna la koi support khayo always koksai tumo baloi always ani opinion se sangi tongo ang kade dino khai je fo khai tung sagang thang ang makakaw mo especially young generation kabang metal khai tongo because young generation phainai je bura puri bururok dong ba cheruk khira dong ba thangnai cherurok sakangni dino chini Tiprasa burok jatina সম্প্রদায় না যে গ্রোথ খাই দিলাম না আপনি ফহিম যে ফহিম yang generation meter খাই তোমরা इसके ता खाई ताई generation borong na kisa gam khai growth khai ekto gam khai growth khai dilang ma hin kai e borok kabang buru kumti kosol tong je age ni borok tabong pa age ni jungtayo mentality ko সংস্কার orong tong kho nobo kisa bo bathai larang mana nemote khai kam jaga kam position dayo kam mentality dayo kam knowledge dayo toy phema go aro isjero kira ro to bok gorja angoi tini represent khaina nijini cultural no nijini country na bo nungno je okara rok jodi arake gam sawo hinka iske chero bo gam phano iske chero rok jodi young generation rok jodi gam khai represent khayo gam khai koksago gam khai cultural country na represent khai hinka iske bunna nongoi bunna srungai ar kaisabo gam khai kuchugo khani mochonai bunna nongoi ara gam khai thani mochonai kuchugo Tiprasa borok na unity khai phunokai ar kaisabo tini unity khai ni mochonai ni ro budok I kormo khai in budok kanja hemam khade basak polonai Latana khaja because ani escapists unjang basak matung nayomo tomni bagoi yesku bai arke puru khai orni yesku lai kare yesku lai rajakse to omni ar bis onna hinaise omni bagoi na arke ma kha nani eto che tibro khai ma to je kabang khai je ma to phari manya to lumi ba thangka to isa boisho tayo kabang kam khaimani pasang matung isa kam khai tungkha to akiro iskabi songkhai bisana patra nijibo clean khai matungo tu kutung ba susai ma pairogo amti kosol chinbang ni je tabu churo imti kosol hai ongle jang nok kaisani burung kha churo burung ni ngoi thango tomni burung bagoi juttobo treatment kam khai malago jate kasani choliate so hambai juttobo kulong kajatana malaina ani video tini esakse ara malaina jadi gam kurang tong khai video khai ma gam tung di jatba bye bye see you all